folks. So today I'm in Seville and I'm gonna go sightseeing. So I wanted to bring you along with me to see the city and different places such as, I don't know, the plaza. Last night I stayed in an Airbnb with an awesome view. Totally awesome. It was worth it. So first, after just checking out, I went on a walk throughout the city center just to see the different sites as well as architecture and stores. Then I headed to the Plaza de Espana, which is really big, really grand with amazing architecture. Some people may even get boat rides on the river that's towards the entrance of the plaza, or they may get horse ride as well on carriages, which is really fun. Alright, hi guys. So right now I'm at the Plaza de Espana and I'm here with Mary, who's my roommate and also co-worker who you've seen already in some videos. So she's actually lived in Seville before, so what I'm going to do right now is allow her to tell you more about the plaza.
Hi everybody, it's Mary. I'm being featured today on April's channel because I wanted to tell you about the Plaza de Espana, where I'm currently sitting. It is a plaza that was created in 1929 for the Ibero-American Exposition. It's also a great place for filming movies. For example, Star Wars Episode 2, Attack of the Clones was filmed here, where Padme and Anakin, they walk across the bridge and in the corridors of Plaza. And it's a very beautiful place and people from all over the world come to see it. And it also has tiles. You can kind of see here the city of Jaén. Tiles from every province of Spain, and the bridges also represent the ancient kingdoms of Spain as well. So it's really cool.
Many activities occur on the river or around. When you go, you can see different people that are practicing their rowing or doing it for leisure, or you can even go on ferry rides. These last for about an hour and you can see many of the city monuments just by being on the boat itself. Hi folks, so I'm on the river in Seville right now. It's really large and you can see many activities going on such as rowing or boat tours. Otherwise people are just sitting and hanging out, so it's really relaxing and really beautiful. The sun is really bright as well.
Hi everybody, it's Mary. I just wanted to tell you about the river Guadalquivir here in Seville. It's a large river that goes through the city. On one side you have the main area of the city, and on the other there's the neighborhood of Triana. And over to my left there's a very well-known street, Calle Betis, and there's lots of houses with beautiful colors. And on the river people like to row and do all sorts of activities. So it's a lot of fun and it's very beautiful just to sit and contemplate and enjoy the scenery.
After being in the direct sun, getting some gelato was a big relief. The mushroom. I then went to visit the Mushroom, which is a really popular architectural structure in Seville. But first, after walking around for so long, getting food was appropriate. Plus there was some entertainment on the side.
Qué bonita Tatiana.
like las setas because it looks like a very modern structure in the middle of more older style structures in town. So it has a bit of contention in its history, but then there's other people that like it, so it just depends on point of view.
At night, Seville is really beautiful with all the street lights, especially during Christmas time, because at this time they will put up a lot of lights on the streets in order to celebrate the Christmas season. I do hope you enjoyed Christmas in Seville with me. Please be sure to subscribe if you like what you see, and Merry Christmas.
With lots of toys, all for